Landscape planning provides comprehensive environmental information at various levels of detail for individual planning levels. At the same time, landscape planning itself generates environmental information that is used for its own specialist tasks in the context of environmental assessments by other specialist planning departments or for integration into overall spatial planning or for BIM projects. To ensure lossless data exchange across different media and software, so-called subject data and object models can be used. Since landscape planning is not regulated uniformly across Germany, this poses a challenge for the derivation of a data model. The X-Planning Standardization Project, along with many other initiatives, defines technological specifications that are relevant to landscape planning in Germany. A comparison of the different versions of X-Planung with regard to landscape planning shows that, starting with version 6.x, the core content and references to other specialized models are available. From version 6.x onwards, it is possible to exchange areas of objectives, requirements and measures for nature conservation and landscape management, protected areas under nature conservation law, biotop networks and impact regulation. Landscape planning statements can be prepared to an address-based and multifunctional basis. Two existing plan examples were selected to test their practical usability. With a few exceptions, all objects could be fully mapped with the defined attributes and enumerations. The data model design was implemented in existing GI systems from a technical perspective. There is enormous potential for the developing synergies for the provision of information in the planning processes to be mapped. In BIM processes, data compiled in the context to landscape planning can be used as an important source of information. For example, areas for compensation measures are required when working on road construction projects. As part of municipal landscape planning, area scenarios are developed that can be used as a basis for the BIM process. It will be interesting to see how acceptance develops in practice. The experience gained in the further development of the specialized model can be used to contribute to the development of specialist models in other fields or for other processes or planning documents in landscape planning. With the almost comprehensive provision of this standard data, a number of AI applications and other specialist applications are sure to be developed that will make an important contribution to digitization and accelerating planning. Thank you for your attention.